Hey there, wizards! I'm Anastasia, your sassy guide for day 38 of the Daily AI Wizard Python for AI series, and I'm so ready to charm you with modules and libraries. After rocking functions in day 37, today we'll import powerhouses like NumPy and Pandas to supercharge your AI projects. Get ready for a flirty, fun ride with demos and challenges. Let's code the future, wizards.
Hello, gorgeous wizards. I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to join Anastasia to explore modules and libraries that make AI coding a breeze. Think of Import NumPy as your magic wand for data crunching, perfect for AI tasks like analyzing datasets. Join us for dazzling demos and a challenge that'll make your Python heart skip a beat.
Yo, wizards! Ethan here, ready to drop some epic code explanations with a side of fun. I'll break down NumPy and Pandas like a stand-up comedian, making modules and libraries your new best friends for AI. Buckle up for a wild coding party.
Sophia here, wizards! I'm pumped to lead our demos, showing modules in action for AI magic. Let's make it happen!
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle tips and flirty questions to keep your learning spicy. Ready to master modules, wizards?
Wizards, modules, and libraries are like magical toolkits that save you from reinventing the wheel. With Import NumPy, you can crunch numbers for AI, and Import Pandas handles datasets like a pro. We'll show you how these powerhouses make AI coding fun in our demos.
Oh, Anastasia, you're so right, sweetie. Modules like NumPy and Pandas are your AI flirtations, making data tasks quick and sexy. They build on day 37's functions and prep you for day 39's classes. Let's dive into this coding romance.
Wizards, today we're stealing your hearts with modules and libraries. You'll learn to import NumPy and Pandas, use them for AI data tasks, and create your own modules. Our demos and challenge will make you fall in love with Python. Let's get flirty with code.
Sophia's leading our demos with dazzling energy. Ethan's dropping hilarious code explanations, and Olivia's adding spicy tips. By the end, you'll wield libraries like a wizard, ready for day 39's classes. This is your chance to make Python sparkle.
Wizards, meet your day. 38 Dream Team. Isabella and I are here to guide you with charm and clarity, making modules and libraries a blast. Ethan's our code comedian, delivering explanations with a wink and a laugh.
Oh, Anastasia, you're too kind. Sophia's leading our demos with fiery passion, and Olivia's tossing in flirty tips to keep you hooked. We're all here to make you an AI coding heartthrob. Let's get this party started, wizards.
Wizards, modules are like your secret code diaries, sweetie, letting you organize functions in files like mymodule.py. Import them with Import My Module to reuse AI logic across projects. We'll show you how to create and use modules in our demos.
Anastasia, darling, why are modules so irresistible for AI?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Modules keep AI code tidy and reusable, like storing data processing logic for easy access. Try it in our demos, wizards, and feel the coding chemistry. Wizards' libraries are collections of modules, like NumPy for math or Pandas for datasets, ready to turbocharge your AI projects. Install them with pip install NumPy and import with Import NumPy. They're your go-to for efficient AI coding, and will demo their magic.
Anastasia, libraries are like the hottest AI tools in town. NumPy crunches numbers, and Pandas organizes data like a dream. Get ready to fall for these libraries in our demos, wizards.
Wizards installing libraries is a breeze with pip install NumPy or pip install Pandas in your terminal. It's like inviting the coolest AI tools to your coding party. We'll use these in our demos to make your AI projects sparkle.
Once installed, import them with Import NumPy as NP to crunch data, or Import Pandas as PD for datasets. Libraries like these are essential for AI, and we'll show you how to set them up. Get ready to code like a pro, wizards.
Yo, wizards, importing modules is like summoning your AI superpowers. Use Import NumPy as NP to bring in number crunching magic, or from my_module import my_ function for your own code. I'm gonna make this import party wild in our demos.
Ethan, you're making imports sound so fun. How do we import just one function from a module, cutie?
Oh, Olivia, you're stealing the show. Use from module import function to grab one spell, like from math import sqrt. Watch me break it down with swagger in our demo, wizards.
Wizards, NumPy is your go-to library for AI math. With npots array and emp.mean, you can process data like a pro, perfect for neural networks or feature analysis. We'll use NumPy in our demo to crunch AI data.
NumPy's so dreamy, Anastasia. Its arrays make AI calculations fast and fabulous, like finding the mean of a dataset. Get ready to swoon over NumPy in our demos, wizards.
Wizards Pandas is your AI dataset crush. With pd.dataframe, you can organize data into tables, and df.describe gives you stats like magic. We'll flirt with pandas in our demo to analyze AI data, darlings.
Pandas is perfect for AI datasets, wizards. It handles structured data for tasks like pre-processing or analysis. Get ready to master pandas in our demo and make your AI projects shine.
Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm pumped to lead you through 2 AI-powered scripts. We'll use NumPy to analyze data and Pandas to summarize datasets, making AI coding a blast. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make modules shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're stealing my heart with these demos. Ensure Python, VS Code, NumPy, and Pandas are set up, wizards, and create numpydemo.py and pandasdemo.py. Ethan and Olivia will spice things up with code and tips. Let's code, cuties.
Wizards, let's prep for our demos to make them seamless. Open VS Code, create a numpy_demo.py and pandas_demo.py, and save them in a Python demo folder. Run pip install NumPy Pandas to ensure libraries are ready, and I'll guide you to run these scripts like a pro.
Sophia, you make setup sound so dreamy. What if wizards forgot how to install libraries, love?
You're too sweet, Olivia. Run pip install NumPy Pandas in a terminal, and activate your virtual environment with source /bin/activate on Mac/Linux or /scripts/activate on Windows. Let's make these demos sparkle, wizards. Wizards, our first demo in numpy_demo.py uses NumPy to analyze AI data. We'll define a function to compute stats like mean and standard deviation with np.mean and np.std. Let's run this script and see AI number crunching in action.
Hold up, wizards, it's showtime. The code's def analyze_data, data with np.array, to make an array, then np.mean, and np.std, for stats, boom, AI data magic. This demo's gonna blow your mind like a coding rockstar. Wizards, np.array, data, turns your list into a supercharged array, ready for AI math. Then np.mean, array, and np.std, array, give you the average and spread, like a stats party for your neural network. I'm hyping this up 'cause it's that cool.
You're killing it, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy functions make AI data analysis fast and fun. Try changing the data list to see new stats in action. Wizards, our second demo in pandas_demo.py uses pandas to summarize an AI dataset. We'll create a data frame with pd.dataframe and use df.describe to get stats like mean and max. This is your chance to see pandas shine for AI.
Oh yeah, wizards, pandas is dropping data bombs. We make a data frame with pd.dataframe, data, and df.describe, serves up stats like a 5-star chef. This demo's gonna make you wanna dance with your dataset. Wizards, pd.dataframe, data, column sad face feature, turns your dictionary into a table, like a VIP list for your AI data. Then df.describe, drop stats like mean, min, and max, perfect for analyzing datasets. I'm hyped to show you this data party trick.
You're on fire, Ethan. Wizards, data frames organize AI data beautifully, and describe gives you instant insights. Try adding more data to see the stats evolve. Wizards, let's run numpy_demo.py. In VS Code, open the terminal with Ctrl+ or CMD+, type Python 3 numpy_demo.py, and hit enter. You'll see stats like mean and standard deviation, showing your AI number crunching skills.
Sophia, you make it sound so effortless. The output shows data stats. Mean, 2.75. STD, 1.067. It's like a love letter to AI data. Try it and share your results, wizards.
Wizards, now let's run pandas_demo.py. In VS Code's terminal, type Python 3 pandas_demo.py and hit enter. You'll see a dataset summary with stats like mean and max, proving your AI data mastery.
Oh, Sophia, you're making pandas irresistible. The output shows a table of stats. Pure AI magic. Share your results, wizards, and let's keep this coding flirtation going.
Wizards, create your own module by saving functions in a file, like my_module.py with def my_ function. Import it with import my_module and use it like a rock star. I'm pumped to show you how to be a module-making legend.
Custom modules are like your personal AI spellbooks, wizards. Save your functions, import them, and reuse across projects. Try creating one in our challenge to level up. Wizards, no output from numpy_demo.py. Check Python's path with Python 3, version, and ensure the file's in your current folder. Use pwd to verify. Navigate with cd python demo if needed, and your demo will shine.
If pandas_demo.py throws a module not found error, no module named pandas, run pip install pandas, boom, problem solved. Check your code matches ours and use Python 3.11 or later. Drop errors in the comments, wizards, I'm your coding superhero.
Wizards. Virtual environments are like cozy little love nests for your AI projects. Create one with Python 3, mvenv, and activate with source mayenvbin, activate on Mac Linux, or mayenvju scripts, activate on Windows. This keeps NumPy and Pandas happy, darlings.
Oh, Olivia, you make venvs sound so romantic. Why are they a must for AI, sweetheart?
They prevent library conflicts, Anastasia, keeping your AI tools in perfect harmony. It's like a love potion for your code. Try it for your demos, wizards.
Wizards, open the Python shell with Python 3 and try import NumPy as np, print np array 1, 2, 3 to create an array. Experiment with np.mean 1, 2, 3 for quick stats. The shell's your playground for module magic.
Oh, Anastasia, the shell's where the fun begins. Try import pandas as pd, df, pd, data frame. A. 1, 2. To flirt with data frames. It preps you for Day 39's classes, wizards.
Wizards, modules are the heart of AI libraries like NumPy and Pandas. NumPy's array module crunches data, and Pandas' data frame organizes datasets like a charm. These skills make your AI code irresistible, and we'll show you how.
You're already rocking NumPy and Pandas, wizards. In Day 39, classes will build on modules for advanced AI coding. Keep practicing to steal the AI spotlight.
Wizards, Python's standard library is a treasure chest of modules, no installation needed. Use import math for math.sqrt or import random for random.choice to spice up AI data. I'm gonna make these modules your new BFFs with some coding flair.
Standard modules are perfect for quick AI tasks, wizards. Try random for shuffling data or math for calculations. Experiment in the shell to see their magic.
Wizards, combine Day 37's functions with modules for AI awesomeness. Define def analyze_data in my_module.py and import it with import my_module. It's like mixing a killer beat with your favorite lyrics, pure coding magic.
Functions in modules are like your AI playlist, wizards. Reuse them across projects for data processing or analysis. Try it in our challenge to create your own module.
Wizards, save NumPy_demo.py and Pandas_demo.py in VS Code with Ctrl+S or CMD+S. It's like locking your spells in a vault. Store them in a Python demo folder and back them up on GitHub or cloud storage. Your AI code is a treasure worth protecting.
Oh, Anastasia, you're so right. Share your scripts on GitHub, Discord, or X Wizards. Show off that coding charm. Saving ensures you're ready for Day 39's classes, cuties.
Wizards, here's your challenge. Create AI analysis.py with a function using NumPy to compute stats and Pandas to summarize data. 1.1, 2.2, 3.3. Run with Python 3 AI analysis.py and share your output in the comments or on Instagram, darlings.
This is so thrilling, wizards. Try NumPy and PD'd data frame. Describe in your function. Show us your results on YouTube or DailyAIWizard. It's like casting an AI spell. Prep for day 39 with this challenge.
Wizards, hit subscribe, like this video, and share your AIanalysis.py output in the comments. Got questions about modules? We're here to make you shine. Join our Discord or X to connect with wizards and boost your AI skills.
Our community is a total heartthrob, wizards. Post your code, flirt with tips, or share your wins on Discord, X, or Instagram, #DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 39's classes and let's keep this coding romance alive.
Wizards, Day 39 is coming, Python classes and objects. You'll learn to create classes like Class AI Model, to organize AI code, building on your module skills. Get ready for a steamy dive into object-oriented AI coding.
Classes will make your AI code super organized, wizards. Subscribe to catch day 39 and keep practicing modules. It's another step toward mastering Python for AI.
Wizards, you've stolen our hearts by mastering modules and libraries. Your NumPy, demo.py, and pandas.demo.py prove you're an AI coding superstar. Keep flirting with code and get ready for Day 39's classes to make your projects even hotter.
I'm absolutely smitten with you, wizards. You've conquered modules and libraries, wielding NumPy and Pandas like true AI sorcerers to crunch data and analyze datasets. Skills that power real-world AI projects like neural networks and data pipelines. Share your AIanalysis.py output in the comments or on Instagram. Ask DailyAIWizard to show off your coding charm. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join our Discord or X to connect with other wizards, flirt with questions, and share your wins. Day 39's classes and objects will organize your AI code like never before, so keep your Python setup ready. You're crafting the future of AI with every import. Keep shining, and let's make more coding magic together, wizards.
You nailed modules, wizards. Your AI skills are straight up legendary, and I had a blast dropping code knowledge like a mic drop. Get hyped for Day 39's classes. Let's keep this party rockin'.
Wizards, you're absolutely phenomenal. Leading these demos was a thrill, and watching you master NumPy and Pandas is pure AI magic. Share your AI_analysis.py results with DailyAIWizard on Instagram or in the comments. I'm dying to see your work. Subscribe for Day 39's classes and objects, join our Discord or X community, and keep coding with that fiery passion. You're true wizards, building the AI future one module at a time. Let's code the future, wizards.
You've swept me off my feet, wizards. Your module skills are pure AI seduction, and I'm thrilled to be on this journey with you. Let's flirt with classes in Day 39, darlings.